cuties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I have Sabrina with us, and she was in the Jeffree Star meet and greet vlog, so I'm linking that down below. I'm also going to link down below the other Jeffree Star mystery unboxing. It was a Valentine's Day themed one, and I'm also going to link down below my latest video. I did a prank video on my boyfriend, so go ahead and check that out. And yeah, I'll link Sabrina's social media down below too. Maybe
you're so sweet.
Maybe out your YouTube channel that you haven't
wait
posted
until I get
on.
a new one.
Oh wait, okay. So today, like I said, we were doing the Jeffree Star mystery unboxings. I have the deluxe box and she has the mini. The only box we don't have is the in-between box. So yeah, let's get started.
Behind closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.
Okay, so really quickly before we actually do the unboxings, my last experience trying to go on Jeffree Star's website didn't really work out. However, I was on his website at 12:59 and I refreshed the page and I was able to get the mystery boxes, and then total checkout time was 1:04. So I was able to get the deluxe box plus Sabrina's box. So that's what happened. But last time, I didn't know that I thought Jeffree Star was gonna have it like posted on his actual homepage, but he didn't. It's actually in the tab section and you have to go to accessories, and that's how you can find it. So I know a lot of people didn't know that, so just keep that in mind. All of his unboxings are gonna be like that. You have to go in the accessories to find it. And I know he tweeted that last mystery box, but I didn't have a Twitter, or I didn't use it at least, so I wasn't aware of that. So just keep that in mind. I was able to have my checkout and everything by 1:04, completely off of the website with the confirmation code of my order and everything. And last time it took me like 45 minutes because I wasn't even able to add it into my cart until like 10 to 15 minutes after. So
That's a long time.
yeah, that's what happened with that. But okay, you can go ahead and open yours now.
I'm so nervous.
I'm excited to see if the mini box is actually worth $20.
Not a green. Try it.
Green packaging.
Should I flip it?
Yeah, flip
How
it.
did I do that?
Oh, it's like this. It's green. It's cute.
Okay.
I wish the tissue paper had like his logo in it though.
Velour.
Yep, liquid lipstick.
Liquid lipstick.
And Scandal. I got that in my last mystery box.
That is a pretty color.
That's the one I was gonna give you, but then I lost it, remember?
Oh, okay.
That's the one I was talking about, but now you have it, so good thing.
And then this one is Medusa.
You can go ahead and open them for the viewers.
And then I got Pop Socket. Yeah, I've been wanting Pop Socket.
And that packaging is so pretty.
Wait,
Yeah.
is it actually glittery, or is that just
That's just the packaging.
That is cute.
It is. Let's go ahead and show them. So this is Scandal right here. And do you want to swatch it for them on your hand? So Scandal is a really pretty light pink with like a purple undertone. It's really wearable. I didn't personally like it on myself. You can do that one first. So that's...
My hands are dirty.
She's not a YouTuber, so she needs help. She said my hands are so dirty. Okay, so that is Scandal right there. And then you said you have Medusa. Oh, then she has a Pop Socket.
Yeah.
Lime green and black Pop Socket. It's really cute.
You wanna know what that is?
Huh?
You wanna know what that is?
What?
Eyelash glue.
Eyelash glue. She has eyelash glue in her hand. Oh my gosh. This packaging is beautiful. Oh my god, I have hair on it. Oh my god, the packaging is so cute. If I don't get something in this packaging, I'm pissed.
That is really cute.
It is. Yeah. That's so pretty. Look, it matches your sweatshirt too.
I wanna do it on glue. Sorry.
How do you honestly feel about that color?
I honestly feel like I would not wear it,
Uh-huh.
just because that's not me.
I don't even feel like that's me, and
But,
I go bolder
like-
than you. But there,
That is really pretty.
it is really, really pretty. Yeah, like I like the packaging, and his like, you know, liquid lipsticks are amazing. I don't think you have tried them, have you?
Mm-mm.
Okay, well there you
Never.
go. I was gonna put one on you today, but then I ended up putting, I think, Stila on you. But anyways, the packaging is really, really cute, but I don't know about the color so much.
Yeah, but it is cute and bold.
But you have to keep that in mind with getting his mystery boxes. He is known for having really out there makeup and colors. So chances are you're going to get a color that's out there, and maybe it might inspire you to reach out of your comfort zone.
I like the first one. I
yeah.
feel like I would definitely probably.
Yeah, the
try
first
and
one I
do
could
that.
see you wearing. But how do you feel like that was worth $20?
Yeah.
For like, I mean, you get 2 liquid lipsticks. One liquid lipstick is $18. So you're getting the excitement of having a mystery box. You get like basically a free lipstick on top of it.
And a cute pop socket.
Yeah, and a cute pop socket. So at least you get to try more of his makeup now. Like I said, we don't have the middle box, but we do have the deluxe box. So, another thing too, her box came before mine. So I ordered them at the exact same time. It wasn't separate. And hers came, what did I message you, Alex? You know what day I messaged you? And this one was supposed to be here Thursday, except it was here today, Wednesday, and I'm uploading it today because, like, views. In the box, and it has, oh my god, I'm not trying to, has a really cute orange tissue paper. Like I said, though, I really wish that it was, like, personalized like last time. It has, like, even, like, question marks embroidered or something in it, so it's not so plain. But, oh my god, there's so much stuff in here. Okay.
I'm jealous.
So, no, I love you. So I got the orange pop socket, and you got the lime green one. So, yeah, I got the pop socket last time, and I got the red one, and I didn't use it. It's very cute. I mean, I like the looks of pop sockets. However, I don't use them myself. So, yeah, I'm looking at everything right now, and just so you guys know, I am going to be doing a giveaway. So anything that I don't feel like I'm going to wear myself, I'm not going to swatch it. I'm going to save it for one of you guys. This will also be in the giveaway, so stay tuned to the end of the video, and I will discuss all of the rules at the end. So there's a pop socket, and then I got a Jeffree Star metal straw, which I've actually really wanted this. I know it's stupid, and like a lot of people are saying like, that's stupid. Like, who's going to buy a straw with his name on it? Like, me, bitch. And literally, there's a little turtle on it. Like, that's so cute to, like, save the turtles. Because, I mean, at the end of the day, like, honestly, though, like, if we don't have turtles, then, like, we don't have no fucking turtles. That's just it. There's going to be no fucking turtles, so we need them.
No turtles, no world.
Exactly. So, I mean, I'm really happy about this. Like, I don't honestly know how much use I'm going to get out of it, to be honest, because I just find it inconvenient to carry a straw with me, but then again, I'm totally about saving the turtle, so I'm going to try my hardest to actually put this to use and try my hardest not to use so much plastic straws, but oh my god.
How much is that originally?
There's like, I think like they come in a packet of more than one. I believe it was anywhere between $20 and $40. But you get more than just one, and they're metal.
Right.
But I mean, I got one of them. That's really cute. Aw.
Just saying I want.
And then I got the Jeffree Star. Can you hold this for me? Thank you. Jeffree Star Cosmetics velour lip scrub in peach popsicle. So the packaging, of course, is really, really cute. I don't have one of these. I was gonna buy it when we were
really
at the meet and greet, and I didn't. And I'm glad I did it now because this is fucking huge. Oh, it's so cute.
Way bigger than one that I have.
It's so cute. And it smells really good. It just smells like candy. Wow, I'm excited. I love lip scrubs, but I feel like all the ones I buy, like, they don't actually work. And I heard his actually do work. So I'm really excited. The packaging, like I said, is super, super cute. And I'm excited for this one. Wow, I'm definitely keeping that one for myself.
Mine melted.
I have a Supreme Frost in Hypothermia. I got King Tut in my last mystery box, and that was just a regular skin frost, so I'm happy that I get to try one of the Supreme Frost. And, ooh, that's really pretty. I don't know how wearable that will be, though. Holy crap. That's, like, reflective.
It's fucking awesome.
I know, it's really pretty. I don't know if I should just... no mind, fucking, I'm keeping it. Whether I wear it or not, just so I can say I have a Supreme Frost. Oh, I mean, it actually really is pretty, though. Like, I definitely think I can pull this off, too, because I'm, like, I have that olive undertone, you know? I like that, though. It's, like, these are, like, glitter, though. Like, I think his highlighters are more, like, of highlights, and these definitely are more intense, and they're definitely more of a glitter, but I like that. I'm gonna try it out. I'm gonna branch out of my comfort zone.
Okay. Jeffree Star is beautiful, by the way.
Jeffree Star is beautiful, he is. Okay, so then I also have a velour liquid lipstick in Poinsettia. And wow, that is. So that's how it looks right there. It's more of a glittery liquid lipstick. So I am deciding if I'm gonna swatch this or not. This is one I might put in the giveaway. I'm not sure, just because I don't like glitter on my lips. But then again, I'm trying to branch out and like wear more lip glosses, so we'll see about that. That's a maybe. Then I also have the liquid lipstick in Diva. I do believe I have a mini of this. I'm not entirely sure. This one I'm for sure putting in the giveaway because I hate pinks on me. It's really, really pretty. Don't get me wrong. It's super cute, but it's just something that I don't think flatters me very well. So hopefully one of you guys, if you guys really wanted, you almost fell. Anyway, so hopefully if you guys have been wanting the liquid lipstick in Diva, you guys have a chance now to win it for free. But yeah, that one's gonna go in the giveaway. It's super pretty. Like I said, it's just not for me. And then, oh my god, liquid lipstick and Mannequin. Wah, I already have this one too. But this one is a beautiful, beautiful nude. I love this liquid lipstick. Like I said, I already have it, so that kind of sucks. But this is a really, really nice nude liquid lipstick. I'm not sure. I think I might gift this to a friend for like a birthday or something like that. But we'll see. And then I have the iconic mystery shade that comes in like the cute lime green packaging. That's the color on top. And this one I'm definitely keeping for myself. You know, people are already trying to sell these for like $100. Oh, it's really cute.
That is cute.
This shade is only exclusive in 2 of the boxes, and he's never releasing it to sell individually. So like the demand for it is gonna make the price go up.
Are you gonna sell it?
No, I want it for myself just to say I have it. But there's a color right there. It is really pretty. This one I am gonna swatch for you guys. It's definitely more of a nudie pink, and it is really, really pretty. Oh yeah, I could pull that off.
Yeah.
That's not like a
That's
hot pink. Right, yeah, this one's really cute. So I really do like this one. I'm definitely going to keep that one for myself. I'm not going to sell it. Whoever else wants to sell it, go ahead. But I want that for myself. Just like for the iconicness of it. Like, it's never going to be released again. And then I have Dominatrix Velour Lip Liner. Oh my god, okay. So I'm not a huge fan. Like, I don't wear a lot of lip liners, even though I want to wear more. I have like quite a few of them for not wearing them. But I've always wanted his lip liners just because of the packaging, not even so much just because I want the product.
The struggle.
I know, I can't open this bitch. Like, look how cute the packaging is.
That is cute.
It's so cute. It's like the top of his like new lip glosses. And this is definitely a color I'd wear. I always wear dark browns. Like, I literally look so good in dark brown. So I actually really like the lip liner too. It's really cute. I got merch. I don't actually have any Jeffree Star merch either. I have James Charles. Even though it's not the best way to bring him up in the video. Anyways, it has the little lime green star right there. And then on the back it just says, hi, how are ya? And I'm actually really glad that it just says hi as in like H-I. I don't want the merch that says like hi as in like you're high. Yeah, I don't want that. Hi.
Hi.
Look at the little puppy. What's her name again?
Bella.
Oh.
Got the meat for days.
Got the meat for days. Okay, so anyways, I'm really glad that it didn't say like hi, because obviously not, I mean, majority of people do get hi, but however I don't. So I'm really glad that it does not say that. And it's a little bit out of my comfort zone because it is lime green. However, I still really do like it. And I like the color lime green, so I'm just going to branch out of my comfort zone and wear it. And I'm super happy that I just finally have his merch. Like, this is amazing. I got the size extra large. So I really think that the box is definitely worth $70. I mean, you're getting merch, you're getting accessories, you're getting lipsticks and highlighters and all sorts of stuff. So I'm really, really happy with the box. I wish I would have got a liquid lipstick in this kind of packaging, just because like it's really, really cute. So I'm kind of sad that isn't it.
Well, Serena, what do you wish that you would have had in your box that you didn't have?
A fucking straw.
A fucking straw. A fucking straw. Should I just keep the red?
I
If
think
you're gonna
red
wear it.
really pops on you, especially with your tattoos.
Yeah.
I really do. I wouldn't
Okay.
say that.
Okay, so really quickly, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna swatch Poinsettia. I have decided to keep it.
That is really pretty.
Yeah, it is really pretty.
Let me see. Yeah, that's gonna look good on you.
Okay, so yeah, there's a poinsettia right there. It's definitely it's like more of a blue undertoned based red. It's dark. It's really pretty. Like, I love the darker reds like this. I don't really like the ones that have the orange undertone. I just have to get over the fact that it is a little bit shimmery, but I feel like because it is a liquid lipstick, so it'll eventually, you know, become matte, so it's not so shiny. But I'm gonna branch out of my comfort zone and wear that. So I'm gonna keep the Supreme Frost. I'm gonna keep Poinsettia, the straw, the lip scrub, the question mark, and Mannequin. So
Just keep it on.
keep it all. So then in the giveaway, I'm going to go ahead and give away the Velour Liquid Lipstick in Diva. And like I said, this one's not swatched, so it will be coming to you brand new. And then I'm gonna go ahead and give away the Pop Socket. So if you guys want to enter and get a chance to win this, all you have to do is make sure you like this video. And you have to subscribe to my channel down below. Obviously, this is only for my subscribers. It doesn't matter even if you just subscribe just to get the shit. Like, just subscribe to my channel, support your girl. Right, so, and then go ahead and comment down below. Literally leave any comment that you want, and then leave me a way to reach you, whether that's Twitter or Instagram. Most likely, I would like to do Instagram because I'm not on Twitter that much, but if you do leave your Twitter, I will still count that as an entry. So yeah, all you have to do is like the video, comment down below, subscribe, and make sure in your comment somewhere you leave a way for me to get a hold of you by your social media handle. Okay guys, one more thing. I'm just gonna edit this in really quick because I didn't realize I didn't say it when I was recording. Make sure if you guys leave your Instagram or your Twitter handle down below, you have to be making sure that you're following me on that social media platform too. So like I said, give this video a like, comment down below, leave your social media handle, and make sure that you are subscribed to my channel, liking the video, and that you're also following me on that social media platform. So my social media platform will be right here. I will have it be for Twitter and Instagram. So yeah.
Comment Sabrina's a baddie.
Yeah, comment Sabrina's a baddie.
A bad Bina.
Right. I mean, I'm not gonna lie. I wish that I would have got, I don't know, like more nudes, but I know that's not gonna happen. But it's okay because I'm still happy with it. It's definitely worth $70. That's for sure. So yeah, I'm excited. I'm happy about it. Are you happy about yours?
Yeah.
Are you actually?
No, I actually
Okay,
really
good.
am. I'm gonna try to wear actually more lipsticks.
Yeah, now you have like an actual liquid lipstick to wear, so it's fine. Yeah,
I don't know
it's
about
exciting.
what is this color? Medusa. But
Like, it's pretty. Like, it's a pretty color. I just like, even I don't know, even on me.
I'm a cocktail.
I gotta have balls to wear that.
Hell yeah.
This is also Alex. She was in the meet and greet video. Again, linking that down below. I'll go ahead and link their handles down below too, so you can go ahead and follow them if you want to. So that's it for this video. Hope you guys liked it. Like I said, if you guys did, definitely give it a like, comment down below, subscribe to my channel before you leave, and do everything I told you guys to enter that giveaway so you can get yourself a free liquid lipstick and pop socket, just in case you guys weren't able. Get out of here.
I'm leaving my front
Okay.
room. Give me the dog.
Whatever. Just in case you guys weren't able to get your hands on a mystery box, hopefully this will be a little bit like give it back to you guys in case you guys weren't able to. But yeah, I think that like wraps up the video.
Yeah.
So like I said, make sure you subscribe before you guys leave. I love you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Pete with me.
Here's yours.
You guys are so cute.
Okay, you out of silly bitch mode.
Hey, you guys both have an extra tooth.
Stop! Fuck off! I hate when you bring that up.
That's so cute.
Ew.
That's so cute.
She used to always bring that shit. She still brings that shit up with me. It pisses me. Ryan does too. Ryan's like, it's a cute tooth. I'm like,
Yeah, she
It
goes
is so
tooth.
cute.
It's a tooth.
I have two of them.
Well, I had one. Oh, well, I had
two.
two, but this one fell out, and then this one.
Bitch, I couldn't be so fucking lucky.
They're like, we're gonna have.
Stop, you dumb. I was ready that time.